Hello, I'm Alexandre Pédemonte, founder and CEO of Vistory. The 3D printing industry, also known as additive manufacturing, is booming because it has huge benefits. But there is a big problem. The digital nature of additive manufacturing process triggers a significant problem of trust. This is where we come in. When Vistory developed MainChain, we were wondering how we can secure on-demand manufacturing. This solution is an enabler for repairing faster vehicles and machines, accelerating sustainability industry by producing spare parts close to the need. With on-demand manufacturing, you reduce storage costs, supply chain flow from the factory to the warehouse because you only produce the spare part where they are needed. And this is a new business opportunity for manufacturers because they sell two things: the spare part and the rescue. For doing that, you need a trusted third part which secures your digital supply chain. MainChain key points are three. The first one, preserving industrial property. The second, preserving trade secrets. And the last one, preventing data leaks. Our philosophy? Answer any need, producing any parts, anywhere, at any time, securely. This is a big journey where Vistory helps its client to walk through this digital transformation in 5 steps. Simplifying your parts qualification, securing your digital warehouse, production, diversification, and scaling up. I trust in my team as my clients trust in MainChain, and if you want to be convinced by the benefits of additive manufacturing, let's talk.